So this is how much money I've earned with Nexus Snap. Welcome to Team Go Mode. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer. Now, if you haven't heard of Nexus Snap yet, oh, you are watching the right damn video. So Nexus Snap was formerly Nexus Rewards, and just recently they decided to change their whole compensation plan and follow the footsteps of companies like Live Good and Got Backup, where what they do is they just have a one-time affiliate fee, and then it's just under $10 a month to maintain your membership. Now, they made this change to make it easier for people to get involved with the opportunity and actually make more money, which is always a good thing. So as I'm recording this video, Nexus Snap is still in pre-launch, but more and more people are starting to talk about this opportunity and joining. So I'm about to share with you right now how much money I've earned with Nexus Rewards and the new Nexus Snap. All right, so what you can see right here, my total earnings is $363.80. All right, so you probably seen that and you're like, yo, that's dope. You know what I'm saying? I'm ready to start making money with Nexus Snap. Like, what do I got to do? All right, well, I'm gonna share with you exactly how I made this money. All right, I ain't gonna lie to you, it really is no secret. All right, so to start earning with Nexus Snap, the first thing you need to do is join Nexus Snap. And of course, you already know it's the first link in the description. You click on that, you're gonna see the whole sales page. You can watch the video, and they break down everything you need to know about the Nexus Snap opportunity. All right, so next thing you're going to do is become a Nexus Snap affiliate. Now, to be a Nexus Snap affiliate, you got to pay a one-time $40 fee, and then it's $9.95 a month. Now, the $9.95 a month is not only going to give you the ability to earn an unlimited income, it's going to keep your Nexus Snap membership active, where you're going to have access to exclusive cashback and savings programs, a bill reduction program, a prescription savings program, as well as other benefits. Now that you all signed up, you're a Nexus Snap premium member, you're an affiliate, you're ready to go. So when you log into your back office, you're gonna have an option to have two affiliate links. One affiliate link is to the business page of Nexus Snap, and the second link is the one that you're going to want to promote, and that is the Nexus Snap presentation page. This is where you want to send people to check out the opportunity. So your job is to get as many people as you can to that presentation page, because once they do, your job is pretty much done. Because honestly, if somebody doesn't see the benefits of this program after watching the video and checking out the page, they just ain't into it. So now that you have your affiliate link, you need to decide how are you going to promote it. And I just did a video talking about you don't have to be out your comfort zone to make money with network marketing. But what you do need to do is figure out, what do you feel comfortable doing on a regular basis? So if you are a Facebook person and you like being on Facebook all day and marketing on Facebook, then use Facebook. If you are a YouTube person or don't mind being on YouTube, start creating videos talking about Nexus Snap. You can actually talk about the opportunity, and you can actually talk about the actual membership. Talk about how you started getting discounts. Talk about how you've been saving money. Go over all of the benefits of the Nexus Snap program. If you are somebody who's more into offline, get some business cards made, get some 4x6 flyers made talking about the opportunity. Now, I always recommend, if you use flyers or business cards, use QR codes on them as well as a website or whatever, but definitely put a QR code on all of your marketing material. Now, once you decided on how you planning on promoting Nexus Snap, all you need to do is go hard. Because that's all I did. That's all I do when promoting any opportunity. I just create content around it. And if you're the type of person that don't want to create content, do offline. Since I believe in this opportunity, I go hard. I'm relentless with it. All right. So if you notice, look at my YouTube channel. I put out content all the time, because this is one of them opportunities that will allow you to build a monthly recurring income that will pay you year after year after year. You already know what to do. Click that first link in the description and I will see you on the team. Oh, and don't worry, when I see you sign up, I will be reaching out to you to help you get started.